Let's take a look at these joiny auto closing hinges that were sent to me as a sample by the manufacturer to do this video, but that never affects what I say in my reviews. Fire regulations in many areas require auto closing hinges for doors between the house and the garage, but they're also terrific for other doors that are left open that you'd prefer to remain closed at all times. Think about perhaps your pantry or your closet or your laundry room doors. These come in a box with two hinges, and you can get them in nickel, black, or brass finishes as shown here. They have a spring inside, but they won't have tension when you first receive them. They'll work just like a standard door hinge, which makes them easy to install. Usually it makes sense to install your new auto closing hinge on the middle position in the door because it's the easiest spot. Just remove the old hinge and then replace with the new one. After it's in place and swinging correctly, your next step is to add tension to the spring by inserting the included Allen wrench on the top of the hinge and turning clockwise about a half of a rotation. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey when adjusting the tension. Then insert this included pin into one of the holes and allow the pin to rotate back to the right and hold the tension. Then check if the door swings itself closed or not. If not, add more tension with the Allen wrench and move the pin one or two positions to the right, and then keep checking the door if it closes properly. Once it closes as you'd like, then you're all done. Of course, you can later further tighten or loosen the hinge spring by removing the pin and using the Allen wrench as needed. Keep in mind that depending on the size and weight of the door, you may need more than one auto closing hinge to swing the door shut, which is fine since each box comes with two hinges anyway. I hope this short video has helped you decide whether these joiny auto closing door hinges are right for you, and thanks for watching.